Hello guys, I hope you can hear me over my air conditioner. It is hot out there today. I just got back from Aldi's with my number 19 grocery haul. Got a little bit of junk. I got some of those big Texas cream cheese Danishes that are so good. I got some pecan shortbread cookies, which is basically pecan sandies. Got some saltine crackers, a package of smoked snack sticks. I got 2 packages of the taco seasoning mix, a package of bagels, some cream cheese, some pork sausage for my sausage balls, onions. Got a bag of garden salad, a 16-ounce container of sour cream, some honey ham lunch meat, got a couple of Diet Cokes, some refried beans, some corn, and some black olives. I was a little disappointed they didn't have either diced or sliced black olives, but I'm a big girl, I can run a knife. Got some of the ground beef, ground sirloin. Ooh, I didn't realize it was ground sirloin. 90-10. It was $9.10, but I've got a little over 2 pounds there. Got a jar of salsa. I was running out of garlic salt. I got some of that. I got 3 cans of tuna in water, and I got a jar of mayo. I'm hoping that will be the equivalent of Hellmann's, because Hellmann's is about the only mayonnaise that I truly love. So that is everything from my haul today, and it was a grand total of, let's see if we can focus on that, $48.37. Oh, plus I have a case of water that's out in the car. So that's all of it, folks. I hope you enjoyed it, and we'll see you next time on CRRV.